let's talk about the process for getting released from deadheads at the end of your pairing. The CBA language for deadhead release is found in section 5S4. Remember that you are still paid for deadhead flights that you get released from. SWAPA filed a grievance in 2018 over the application of this language and reached a settlement with the company that put a hard limit on the amount of time a pilot may be made to wait before being released from a deadhead at the end of a pairing. Under the settlement, if there are any operational problems, as mentioned in Part B of the language, the scheduler may, if needed, ask the pilot to call back in no more than 30 minutes, at which time the scheduler will either reassign or release the pilot. Remember that the operational problem, for example, a specific uncovered flight, can only be in the city where the pilot is currently, at the destination of the deadhead flight, or in the case of a multi-leg deadhead, the city where the deadhead transitions through. 2 calls maximum is all it takes. No more repeated calls to scheduling and endless delays. If on the initial call, there is an issue in one of the affected cities, the scheduler can ask you to wait and call back to get released, but cannot ask you to wait any longer than 30 minutes before calling back. Keep in mind, they don't get an automatic 30 minutes to make you wait, only if there is a specific issue in one of the cities mentioned earlier. Now, if a scheduler is confused when you attempt to get released from a deadhead at the end of the pairing per the settlement, ask for a supervisor and/or refer them to their own internal read before scheduling document, RBS, or read before scheduling 2018-008, with the revision date of August 27th, 2018. Also, if you're no longer legal to fly in accordance with Part A of the language, you should always be released without delay. And if you're on a reserve assignment, additional restrictions apply and are found in section 8E6C. We hope you found that helpful. You can reach us at contractadmin@swapa.org if you have any feedback or questions.